Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change watch face on Apple Watch Series 9. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change your Apple Watch face on Series 9, all you need to do is press and hold the Apple Watch face, then swipe left or swipe right to see your existing watch faces. Now to set a new Apple Watch face, all you need to do is keep swiping left until you see new, and then click on that. Once you selected, you should see new watch faces. Scroll down the new watch faces page until you get to the watch face you want to set as your new watch face on your Apple Watch Series 9. So just keep scrolling until you get to the watch face. Then once you find the watch face, locate and click on Add. Then you should see the watch face like this. You can use Crown to change the color of the watch face if you have multiple colors. Then once you are done, click the Crown once to select it. Then click on the watch face you selected again, and that is it. So that's exactly how to change watch face on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.